New York-Eski is best Trump Organization manager on Friday. Former President Donald Trump's $250 million civilian hearing with a major blow to the defense of the general financial officer Allen Weisselberg confirmed that he was doing tax. Developments came as a federal judge in the case containing the secret documents on Trump's Florida property. However, under a sharp inquiry, McConney admitted that he knew he was violating the law under the oath. Weisselberg, who was sentenced to a few months' imprisonment after being convicted in another tax about Trump, will stop on Tuesday after the case stopped at the Columbus Day holiday weekend. McConney's statement seems to be a great support for New York Chief Public Prosecutor Letitia James, because Trump Acolytes supported the claims that they have routinely and inappropriate the value of property to gain better terms than lenders' insurance companies. Trump thinks that his property is much more valuable than valuation due to their relations with brand. The courtroom drama came after Trump suddenly fell his case against judge who controls the case. But he asked a court of appeal to Judge Arthur Engoron to decide box office records against him. The former president, who was encouraged 4 times, reduced objection of a mid-range state court's effort to prevent the Engoron's chairmanship of case. Trump's lawyers submitted this case within the scope of a New York province known as Article 78 and allowed difficulties in some judicial decisions. Before the hearing began, Engoron decided that Trump will overcome his property to achieve better agreements with lenders and insurers and made a great for years. The former president asked for postponement of the hearing until this issue was resolved. But a state court of appeal rejected it and led to a hearing starting from program this week. Trump promised to object to the decision, but apparently had the second thoughts. In separate legal thrust, Trump won a victory on Friday when he agreed to hold order to suspend the business certificates of Judge Engoron's business certificates until appeal. The judge ordered the hearing to be paused as Trump requested. Trump's lawyer Chris Kise said that the defense team was very satisfied with the decision. However, in a statement, James described it as a gain for the office. Once again, Donald Trump's attempts to delay this hearing was rejected. Another court rejected his efforts to avoid justice for years of. Jame James wrote, in a not surprising way, "It bends this decision and claims to be wrong for a decision we propose. Really simple, a judge has decided that it has a repeated and permanent. And we will continue to show it in court. The trial, which is expected to take a few weeks, is kept to determine whether Trump and others are responsible for the number of numbers and how much damage they need pay." Trump, who faced a total of 91 heavy crimes in 4 separate cases, filed a $500 million lawsuit against former La